Children, in this video I will tell you some more properties of metals and non-metals. Now, first is density. Metals are very dense, they have high density, whereas non-metals have low density. But there is an exception in the metal, that is sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium both are metals, but they have low density. Another property is hardness. Metals are very hard, whereas non-metals are brittle. Brittle means that can be easily broken. Now, exception in the case of metals is sodium and potassium. Both are metals, but they are very soft. They can be cut with knife. Whereas non-metals are brittle, but there is one exception, that is diamond. Diamond is also the form of carbon and it is the hardest substance known to us. Another property is luster, that is metallic luster. Metal possesses metallic shine. They have metallic luster, whereas non-metals are non-lustrous. उनमें कोई चमक नहीं होती. But there is again an exception in non-metals, that is iodine. Iodine is the non-metal which is non-lustrous, which is lustrous. Because non-metals are non-lustrous, but iodine is a non-metal which has luster. Another is malleability. I already told you what is malleability. It is a property by which metals can be beaten into thin sheets. And metals are malleable, whereas non-metals are non-malleable. Another property is ductility. Metals are ductile. They can be drawn into thin wires, whereas non-metals are non-ductile. Let us see another property of tensile strength. Metals have high tensile strength. They can bear the strain, whereas non-metals have low tensile strength. But there is a non-metal carbon fiber which has high tensile strength. So you have to learn all the exceptions because there is a very much chance of coming these exceptions in the exams. Another property is conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat as well as electricity, whereas non-metals are mostly insulators. But there is one non-metal, that is graphite. ये नॉन मेटल है फिर भी it can conduct electricity. This graphite is used in batteries. Why it is used in batteries? Because it is not an insulator. It is a good conductor. And the last property is sonorosity. Metals are sonorous, whereas non-metals are non-sonorous. So all these 10 properties you have to learn. Exceptions may be asked in questions and a simple difference may also come.